In this video, we're going to talk about the UART Terminal application. This is under development by Cool4UMA, so thank you very much for developing this. I think it will be a great use for everybody's with the flipper. So what's now the state of the art of UART Terminal application on flipperzero? So we have like a UART echo. So yeah, it's going to display on the flipperzero what's going on the console. But yeah, then you could not interact, you could not send comments, which this application aimed to. Also, there is another application which is like the UART to USB bridge. So here, with like the bridge, it will use like the flipperzero as a USB to UART converter. So basically, you will need a computer to connect in serial to the flipperzero, and then the flipperzero will be connected to your serial bus or from the device, you know. And here, what's really handy, it's like, let's say you don't have like a computer and you have a device, like what like Cool4UMA did. Here, he had like a TP-Link router. So this is kind of pocketable device you carry with you, you know, and plug like either your phone or like 4G, 5G USB modem, and it's acting as a portable hotspot, okay? And here what's really interesting, it's like the serial connection, it gave him like a root access to the device. So even if he lost, let's say, any credential, he could have access and reset anything. So that's really great. So I like this kind of things, you know. You don't know what to expect. Let's just try and see what's going on here. So me, I didn't have any, let's say, exotic device. So I took a Raspberry Pi, and here, like the first issue I bumped into, I couldn't log in. So by default, like Raspberry Pi didn't have serial connection enabled. This is something you could like really enable quickly, but that's not the topic of the video. So I still want to discuss with you. Maybe you could try and let me know if you have this kind of issue with a Raspberry Pi or any other device, because what Cool4UMA and I now have, like, it's like auto login when we connect to UART terminal. So in the end, we don't have like to specify any user and password. And me, basically, I kind of think I'm facing a race condition, because every time I'm sending a command, it's fail at first, and then I'm able like to run it. However, to log in, it's not working. I don't know why. It's like I'm pressing enter, you know, before even specifying any user account. Because when I tried, here, you could watch this video later, I have like a failure without any username here. So I kind of feel it's not picking up, okay? But let's go back on what is working, because I think it's great, you know, when you're already logged in here. And you need to remember, you know, it's still under development. So hopefully a fix will be here, or maybe it's only me that I have like an issue, huh? Who knows? So here, let's look at the application. I send like a PS, and yeah, it's great. You could like browse it from your flipperzero. So just imagine like you are on the go. It's your everyday carry, the flipperzero, and yeah, serial connection. You connect and you check out. But let me show you the issue I have. Okay, so I go with the fastest like baud rate here, and yeah, now I could like send the command. So let me specify again like the PS to show processes, and here you see I have an issue here, but if I run it again, it's working. So let me know if you're facing this issue as well, and whatever like device, Raspberry or not, I will be really curious. Otherwise, I will keep like looking forward for like next update from Cool4UMA, and maybe it might be already integrated in some firmware. So for right now, you will need to compile on your firmware of your choice. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.